non so ci vedo. Sì, ma non li vedo, sì. Che riesce a fare.
Hello folks, good morning. We've got another lovely day. We've got some slight problems because my mate developed some stomach problem and wow. Anyways, yeah, we were here in that hotel, and the reason for taking the hotels constantly is that basically we need air conditioning in those temperatures. So it is what it is. But it wasn't the most expensive, 60 euros, 53 or 4 pounds for the night for 2 persons, so not even 30 quid each. So that's alright, acceptable. Now, look at that, what we've got around. I will need to check oil because for now we did 5,000 kilometers, which is more than 3,000 miles. Since I left home. So far I added half a liter of oil, so that's alright for BMW. They just do it. And yeah, I will have to check it again, but I first need to be somewhere here on a flat land. Right? And that could be difficult. So off we go.
And as we say in Poland, operation was successful, patient died. Just 200 milliliters of oil this time, so not that bad really. For the BMW, of course. Now let me show you why you should always be cautious and ride slowly when you're on a motorcycle.
Cześć, wodospad?
Yep, the waterfall on the right. And we could easily miss it if you would be any faster. See? I think it's pretty nice, eh? What you reckon? I'm glad that I spotted it, but no matter what, it's time to go. To the chemist shop, because my mate needs some pills. And after that, we've got some lovely views in front of us. Of course. I absolutely love those Italian views. What a nice start of the day. And now, I think it's important, sort of important, to tell you about our plans for today. Well, actually, there is no strict plan. We just want to go through some nice mountains and see a bit more of that gorgeous landscape. And so far, we absolutely can't complain. So for now it looks like our plan was absolutely perfect. Well, years of experience, very long preparations, and extreme intelligence to coordinate all that into a perfect plan. Come on, I'm just kidding. It's just us and motorcycles and good weather and Italy. That's enough. But anyway, did I mention the perfect planning? So here we go. Now we need a bit of help from Google Translate, and we will figure out what to do.
Tu taka sytuacja. Piknik. prodotti tipici del Norcia Amatrice.
How do you like my Italian? It's lovely, right? Well, I kinda adapted, but hey, at least we managed to find the detour. And as you can see, we were not the only people who were puzzled by that situation. Nevertheless, time to go onwards.
Przejechać koło przepaści.
Śmiało.
Let me tell you one thing. Our new detour looks quite nice for now. And I'm genuinely impressed by the cars here. Jokes aside, I love those tuk-tuks. And well, looks like the detour is over and we are on the main road again. I absolutely admire those Italian towns. They look gorgeous, even if they are not in the perfect condition. Or maybe especially then.
Situation.
Yep, we just stopped to refuel, and in the meantime, the chaps on those bikes arrived. So, let's have some conversation, shall we?
Jaki fajny. Cambiato.
Yep, really interesting bikes. Unfortunately, our conversation didn't go well. To the mountains then.
Krowa! Ciekawe jak tu krowa wejdzie.
And accidentally, we got into that viewpoint. Just look at that, isn't it impressive? And see? You can see the sea. I think that really is impressive, especially that it's 20 miles in a straight line to the sea. So, pretty good sight. But that's not all, I will show you more of that place. Just wait for that and I will use my magic camera. Look at those rocks here. And up that road. Italy. Simply Italy.
A teraz wsiądę i się dogonię.
Do you know what? Yet again, it looks like we are choosing the right roads. Do you see how many bikes are here? And look, even BMW R9T. It can only mean that I'm a planning genius. And that's a Sergeant Hightower on his lovely machine. Oh, another one. And now tell me one thing, can you imagine a better day? I can't. I really can't. You see that bar? Well, we spent almost 2 hours there. Even it was closed. We were just sitting on those chairs and falling asleep because it was so hot everywhere. Absolutely beautiful day, but the temperatures are again over 35 degrees. Which means it's absolutely fantastic weather for a ride. However, after some time of riding, you are just tired and exhausted. The views here, however, are so good that you will wake up in any second. And look, the armchairs on wheels. I really don't understand this kind of bikes. However, there's plenty of people who do, as you can see. However, there are nice bikes on that road as well. Look at that. Nice, eh? And that was another motorcyclist's Mecca. Plenty of bikes here. Well, that's brilliant. I can't complain. The only complaint is that we need another detour because the road is closed again. But hey ho, we found another route and we will follow the new one. Well, that's quite a nice detour, isn't it? I wonder where we are heading right now. Ah, okay.
Dobra, jedziemy, to już co ty masz?
Well, I really wanted to ignore that road sign. But yeah, thanks to that man, we actually learned that it's really closed this time. So, here you go, another detour. And you know what? I think I really like it. Don't know about you, but I think it's a gorgeous road. It's all beautiful, however, at this very moment I start to feel that I already seen that place. Yep, now I'm 100% sure. We've been there on the way down south. Well, I would prefer to be in the new place, on a new road. However, I can't complain about that one either. Yep, that is the exact place where we planned to stop on the way down south. But in the meantime, my friend asked me a question. Why the sheep are black at the bottom?
One chodzą na olej napędowy.
That's not funny!
Yeah, well, probably it's not, but it was funny to me at that very moment. But those dogs are not funny for sure. They look business. I mean, they look like they can take care of the business. In case of wolves, for example. Or motorcycles, maybe? Yep, they were a bit suspicious about our bikes. Let's get out of here then. Thinking about those dogs, I started to wonder how many wolves live in Italy. And it looks like quite a lot, because 3,500 wolves. So that's quite a big population if you ask me. However, if you think how many people live in Italy, all of a sudden it's not that many wolves anymore. Okay, that's enough of this wolves nonsense, because we need to do some shopping, as we decided to go camping today.
Right, guys, we are going to the camping. We've got shopping and all the stuff, and we got 30 minutes. We didn't have. Oh, hold on. Turbo. We didn't check the camping yet, so we don't know if it's good or not, but should be good.
Well, I got a bit distracted by that lovely Fiat 500, but what I meant, we didn't check how much will it be for the camping. And what we hope for, that it won't be more expensive than the hotel yesterday. But hold on a second, what about that road sign? What does it mean? We still got 10 miles to go on that road. Ah, okay. It means exactly that. Well, another detour. So, unfortunately, it looks like there will be more than 10 miles for us this time. Because we still need to go back to the starting point. I mean, close to that petrol station somewhere. I just hope that we will manage to pitch the tents before it gets completely dark.
Yeah, that's it.
And for now we had to stop for a second, because it got so cold that we have to change the jackets. And it gets darker and darker, which is slightly worrying, because you know, the badgers are getting on the road and stuff like that. Never mind the badgers, but we started to worry that there is some off-road in front of us. But whatever the circumstances were, it was rather beautiful here. Yes, it really was. And well, we managed to do it before it got completely dark and without any off-roading. Now we just have to pitch the tents and job done. So let's get the work done first.
Okay, guys. Tents are here. See? We are ready and we are going to sleep. That will be it. See you tomorrow.
But before falling asleep, I wanted to show you something interesting. The supper we prepared. See, the sausage and the sweet roll. Bloody awesome, isn't it? But never mind the delicious supper, let's take a look at the map. Yeah, actually it wasn't the record day. We did around 200 miles and that's it. But if you look at the map, what we were doing here, how many detours we took that day, how many mistakes we made, but what's most important, how many interesting places we visited. And all of a sudden it seems obvious why it took us so long today. But you know what? It is what it is. And there will be another day, and another day will be great because we will be doing that. And what is that exactly? You will learn in the next episode. Oh, and by the way, give us thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Also, comment under the video, it helps me a lot with the channel. So I very much appreciate all your comments and effort. Thanks for watching, cheers!